Tonight is supper night. Just making some meat feast pizza or some leftover meat. This one is a bit of salami, sausage, southern fried chicken, cheddar cheese. That one is the same. This one is southern fried chicken, smoked sausage. Inside the oven. Put these ones in. This is what it looked like in the oven. This I'm gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes. Then I'll take it out and it'll be ready. Welcome back, YouTube. Just let me know if you're ready. I have a surprise for you. Look at this. See that? It's pizza time. Coming out the oven. Look at that. World class. Look at that. This is your homemade pizza. This one I just put it in it's like a pie dish. A couple more minutes for that one, but this one is ready. Look at that. It's homemade pizza at its best. Please remember to like and subscribe and share. Look at that. Now I'm gonna have it with a bit of salad, some water or some juice. This is what they call homemade pizza. There you go. Peace be unto you. And also for any catering event, you can look me up on Facebook. Typed in Linden Catering. This is from the UK. So for all your events, private dinner, private hire, you can find me on Linden Catering Limited from the UK. And also for any catering event, you can look me up on Facebook. Typed in Linden Catering. This is from the UK. So for all your events, private dinner, private hire, you can find me on Linden Catering Limited from the UK.